Hi, lovely people. So I'm actually in my new listing, 13556 Mettetal Street, and we are actually in the smallest of the bedrooms. And as you can see, it is not that small. This can comfortably fit a full or queen size bed and probably larger. I'm just saying this is not your typical smallest bedroom size that a lot of these 1930s, 1920s homes feature. This is actually a very comfortable space. But not only that, I have a surprise. Just stay tuned, just stay with me. Look how deep this closet is. I'm still going. Not only does this closet, is it a full walk-in, but this is one that would not want to be missed. And on top of that, it has some cool features like a laundry chute as well as this mantle. Definitely one to check out.